Hello, FutureMakers. Welcome to What I Ate in a Day at Udaipur. I started my day with a coffee in a cooler. I like that this is sustainable and environment friendly. Next, we went out to tour the city and it was so hot that I had to have a sugarcane juice. After that, we went for lunch where we had a full-blown dal bhati churma thali. वैसे भी राजस्थान आया और ये नहीं खाया तो क्या खाया? In the evening, I had cool cocoa, which was a good replacement for the hot coffee because of the weather, with some chana jor garam, and we ended our day with some delicious ghevar. This was it for the Udaipur trip, but trust me, Udaipur trip was full of a different kind of cuisine, and I liked everything because it was not too spicy, not too sweet, but perfect, delicious and yummy. What did you like the most from today's video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like today's video, do hit the like button and subscribe to TeacherPreneur for more such videos. See you soon.